Hello guys, this is Money FX, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest ways to calculate your lot size. Now without a doubt, there are a lot of websites out there which you can use to calculate lot sizes. But there's this incredible website I've been using to calculate my lot size for a while now. But before I show you guys, let me just introduce you to how a regular lot size calculator works. So this is myfxbook.com. It's one of the most popular websites to calculate lot sizes. As you can see, it's very simple and basic to use. You have your currency pair right here. So it says Euro USD. You could change it to like pounds. You change it to like gold, wherever trading instrument. You have your account currency right here. So you could change it to any currency. Okay, so you have your trade size. So you can just put whichever lot size you're willing to risk on your account, and then you have your open price. So this is where you enter your entry price, and this is where you set in your stop loss. So you could, if you are on a buy, you can just click on buy. Then if you're on sell, you just click on sell, and then you click on calculate. Okay, so now that you've seen how regular lot size calculator works, let's move on to the actual website I told you guys earlier from the start of the video. Now, before I explain how unique this website is, I need to let you guys know that it's not technically a lot size calculator. Okay, so the way it works is very simple. So first you need to create an account, a demo account to be specific. It has to be a demo account. So you don't want to create a live account, because we actually need only this calculator right here. Okay. Then after creating an account, you'll be automatically logged in, and I want you to come over to this section right here, and I want you to search for your desired pair. So you click on all symbols right here. So you can see they have every single pair. Okay, so there are some lot size calculator that only have limited amount of pairs. So you can see this as every single pair, all the way from commodities to crypto to FX to indices. They have every single thing. They have this you can see this is gold, you can see this is silver. So whenever you want to select any trading instrument, so you just click on this star right here. So this is the favorite. So whenever you click on this star, it's gonna appear on this favorite. So you can always log in into your account, and you can just calculate straight on. So it's very simple to use. It's very simple. So you can see I have gold and UJ right here. So I mostly trade gold along with UJ. So that's why I add this on the favorite. So whenever you want to calculate your lot size, so say for instance we want to calculate gold. So you click on this right here which says new order. So it's going to take you to this page where you're going to click on pending order. So when you click on pending order, it's very simple. This is where you enter your lot size, and this is where you enter your enterprise. Then you go down a bit and you see this is where you enter your stop loss. You can also enter your take profits as well. So that's one of the reasons I like this calculator compared to other calculator like my FX book, like FXTM profit calculator. So this compared to other lot size calculator is very simple. So you have the price right here. So I don't have to click on any reset button. I don't have to click on calculate. So immediately you just enter your lot size, you enter your price. You're gonna see how much you're gonna lose, right? And you can also enter this take profit right here. So you're gonna see how much you're gonna make when you risk that amount. Now, lastly, I think I should guide you through the process of creating a demo match account. So I'm going to be dropping the link in the description below. So after watching this video, you can just go create an account. So first of all, you click on this button right here, which says try demo. So you're going to be taken to this page where you can sign in, but we don't have an account here. So you're going to click on this button right here, which says try demo. Again, so you're going to be brought to this page. So you have challenge and you have forex. So you click on forex and you click on next step. So you're going to be offered a free match trader demo account. So you click on next step, and you just put in your email, you put in your password and repeat password, then put in the first name and your last name, then you click on next step. And you simply just come all the way here to tick this box in order to agree to your privacy policy. Then you click on the button which says sign up. So this is going to be the end of the video. If you really find this video helpful, please be sure to give this video a like. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment below. I'm be sure to reply. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe so you can get more content like this in the future. See you in my next video.